Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to use Timely for efficient time tracking. So whether you are a freelancer, a team manager, or just someone looking to improve productivity, this website makes tracking time effortless. So here, head over to this website. So as you can see here, and then sign up for an account, and if you already have one, you just need to log in. So inside, you will land on the dashboard, so as you can see here, so where all your track time will be displayed. So here guys, the dashboard gives you a quick overview of your track hours, projects, and then your tasks. So you can also see insights into your work habits, which helps improve productivity. So in creating a project, so to start tracking time, you need to create a project. Click on projects in the left sidebar, then new project. Then there, you need to enter a name, assign it to a client if needed, and of course set a budget if applicable. So in tracking time manually, so to track time manually, you just need to go to the hours. So there you can see hours tab and click add time entry. So enter the task name, choose the project, and set the time spent. So this is very useful for adding time after completing a task. And on using automatic time tracking, so the Timely also offers automatic time tracking, so with Memory AI. So you just need to install the Timely desktop app, and it will record your activities in the background. So you can then review and log them into your projects. So on reviewing reports and analytics, to analyze your time usage, you just need to go to reports. Here, you can filter data by date, project, or team member. So this helps track billable hours and productivity trends. So on integrations and settings, so this website, the Timely guys, integrates with tools like Asana, Trello, and Zapier. So to set up integrations, you just need to head over to the settings, and then there you can see there the integrations, and of course you need to choose your preferred tools and connect them. So as you can see here, you can explore your dashboard here. So this is the hours, so as what I said a while ago. So here you can see here your company, or you can do it solo. And then right guys is this one. So here you'll be able to dismiss this one, and then you can go here in the different icons. So here is the activity, and here you can see the reports, the invoices, and then your projects. So here you can switch to workspace. So here you can see here this website assistance, and here you can go to help center, and you can also edit your profile guys, which is your admin user. And there you have it guys. And that's it. You know how to use Timely for time tracking. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video. Bye!